Imagine a world where you're making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing. This is a realm where you can earn commission simply by promoting someone else's product or service. You're effectively turning your social media platforms into a potential goldmine. It's a win-win scenario, really. As an affiliate, you earn every time a sale or action is generated through your promotional efforts. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its potential to generate passive income. Imagine making around the clock, even when you're not actively working. It's essentially income on autopilot. And the best part? You're not restricted to any specific product or service. The possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing is your ticket to a life of income. Now, are you ready to discover how to become successful in this profitable realm? To get started with affiliate marketing, check the description below for our affiliate link and secure your invitation code. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. Success in affiliate marketing is not a matter of luck. It's about following proven steps and strategies. Let's break it down into actionable steps. First, choose your niche. This should align with your interests and expertise. A niche you're passionate about will keep you motivated and enable you to produce authentic and engaging content. Next, research and select high-quality products. Look for products with proven track records and attractive commission rates. This might seem like a daunting task, but with a little bit of time and effort, you can find the perfect products to promote. Remember, your reputation is on the line, so choose wisely. Once you've selected your products, you need to build your audience. Start by providing solutions to their problems and establishing yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. This could be through blog posts, social media updates, or even a podcast. The key is to provide valuable content that your audience will appreciate and come back for more. The fourth step is to focus on promoting products that genuinely add value to your audience. This means more than just slapping a link on your website. It means creating in-depth product reviews, tutorials, and other content that highlights the benefits of the product. If your audience sees the value in what you're promoting, they'll be more likely to make a purchase. Finally, monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts closely. Use analytics to track which strategies are working and which ones need improvement. Constantly test and tweak your approach to maximize your potential earnings. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, consistency, and patience. But with perseverance, you can unlock the potential of affiliate marketing to earn significant income. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick with it, keep refining your strategies, and you'll see your efforts pay off in the long run. Now, let me introduce you to a promising affiliate marketing program that can pave your road to success. Forever Healthy Products LLC, a company deeply committed to wellness, offers you an opportunity to promote ImuRegen, a unique product designed to enhance wellness at the DNA level. Its business system is primed for e-commerce, ready to distribute ImuRegen to every corner of the globe. With Forever Healthy Products, you're not just promoting a product, you're promoting wellness to the world. Now that you have the secrets of affiliate marketing, it's your time to act. Imagine an opportunity to earn significant income, a chance to create a stream of passive income, all within your reach. You have the potential to change your financial future. So why wait? Stake your claim in the lucrative realm of affiliate marketing. Don't miss out on this goldmine opportunity. Like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated on your journey to earn big with affiliate marketing. Your road to passive income starts here.